Just 15 minutes outside Leapers Fork Village through Franklin's gorgeous rolling hills atop a private drive, you'll find your own piece of Tennessee, a hidden estate. This is 7501 Ivoryville. It's Nashville Luxe Tours. Let's get started. So today we are in Franklin, Tennessee. People love this community because it is quintessential country life. It's got sweet local shops and antique stores, great farm-to-table restaurants, a quaint downtown, plenty of room for horses, and of course, the great outdoors. We are only 45 minutes from Nashville's downtown if you want to catch live music or go to a football game, but take a look at these grounds and this gorgeous home behind me. I want to take you through this gorgeous luxury cabin, but before I do, I really want you to understand what it's like to go up that gorgeous private drive and have it open up onto this hilltop. When you look around this area, it's hard to imagine you're not in a Colorado estate because that's how it feels. The rustle of the leaves under your feet, the groves of these mature trees reaching up to the sky, and the way the air just opens up here at the top of the hill. It is 7 acres of your own personal paradise, and all the great details give it a sense of timelessness. The warmth of the red oak exterior, the sharp peaks of the standing seam 26-gauge metal roof, and the deep wraparound porches give a sense that this home has been around for 100 years. And I'll let you in on a little secret, much of it has. But don't you want to go and explore? Let's go check it out. We find that our clients choose Franklin because they value a quiet country lifestyle and the expansiveness of the outdoors. And this home has all of it. It's such a fun spot. Take, for example, this bonfire area. Imagine having a glass of wine while you sit around the fire, playing your guitar while the kids run around and the fireflies twinkle in the distance. This home's seller and designer is a songwriter who has lived and built in Vancouver and London and studied under acclaimed designer David Sage. In London, she salvaged warehouses to use in her builds, and here she's used reclaimed wood from a 150-year-old Montana barn. You will see so much of her history in the design of this home, so let's go check out just how beautiful the interior is. You're gonna start here in this front entry. Such a warm space to greet your guests while the fireplace is crackling and there's a handcrafted cocktail being shaken behind the bar. This house really tells a story, and that story starts right here. These stairs behind me lead you upstairs to 3 beautiful guest suites and really great entertaining space. Or if you're a songwriter looking for inspirational writing space or a recording room, this home has that too. But first, let's pass through these hand-carved Indian doors to see the spectacular kitchen, dining, and living space. I love the warmth of this kitchen with this maple island top and the textured quartz counters. Look how much storage there is in this kitchen, and with so many thoughtful touches. These Bertazzoni appliances are such a beautiful classic. I love this exposed area for platter storage, and this appliance garage is so handy. You can tuck away your coffee maker after your morning cup of coffee. There is so much here to look at. Your eyes want to go in every direction. So let me walk you through these fantastic details. Running the entire length of this space are these wide plank white oak floors milled right around the corner at Fox's Lumberyard. Looking up, you'll see the mortise and tenon 150-year-old heritage barn beams. This is such an inspirational grand space that sometimes it can be hard to achieve that sense of coziness, but this house does it so well. Maybe that's because of this epic fireplace. Now it's a wood-burning fireplace, but you do have a gas assist, which is great. And you'll see it's covered in this gorgeous natural stone. You even have custom-built storage for your firewood. Maybe you have a large family and you want a place where everyone can get together and where the kids can run around and play. Or maybe you're an artist and you're looking for that inspirational space. Imagine sitting in this space while the sun goes down, your own quiet little piece of heaven. Now in here, the ceilings are 28 feet high, and look out to the west. Just imagine stepping out onto this big covered porch, sitting on the porch swing, reading a book, drinking a glass of wine with the smell of cedar in the air. You have over 1,500 feet of porches surrounding this home, all built using cedar deck boards. Over here, you have this great downstairs guest suite. Maybe you use it as a nursery, or maybe this is a beautiful home office. It's right here off the living room, so it lends itself to lots of uses. When you cross the living room, you're gonna find this really beautiful primary suite. These rooms are actually modeled after barn stalls, which are 12 by 12. So this sitting area is one stall and the bedroom is framed with 2 combined stalls. I love a home with a thoughtful story. I think that's one of the most intricate parts of a luxury home, and this home really does that so well. Outside the primary suite, you have your own private deck looking over the woods, complete with a 1,600-gallon swim spa and hot tub where you can relax in the evening with a glass of wine or turn on the resistance waves and take a swim. Now let's go upstairs. On the second floor, you have 3 good-sized guest rooms and a great gathering space where maybe the teens watch their own movie while you entertain downstairs. Or maybe this is where you record that song you wrote on the back porch. This home has so many possibilities. Now, before I let you go, I have to show you one last thing I love. Back on the first level is this fantastic laundry room, and it's not just a laundry room. There's even an additional dishwasher. It also acts as a mudroom, a great drop zone for when you come in from the garage. I love that you can make a mess back here and then close it off from all the guests. Now step outside with me one more time. Isn't this great? Your outdoor space is endless. Perfect for laughing, running, singing, entertaining. It's all for you. We want to give a big thanks to Tom Sullivan with Covey Rice Properties. He is the listing agent on this spectacular home. He grew up in woods like this, and properties like this are his passion. So thank you, Tom, for letting us do this with you. This has been Nashville Luxe Tours, and I certainly hope you enjoyed today's tour. Please let me know what you want to see next time.